Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 7 of my RedBull RB20 build. So last time actually we're building the Ferrari and got the side pods on, so they're looking pretty good. And now we're going to continue with the RedBull. It has the front wings on and I believe we'll be starting the side pods on this one. So let's see and get into it. Okay, looks like I got everything sorted here, so let's get started. And off the start here, we're going to put some rolling pins in, I guess. Let's hook those up first. I guess it's just one. In the middle of the rear section here. And that blue pin. Let's see what else we got here. Now we're gonna take one of these arms and put a axle pin in, and then an axle in this side, and then hook this up there 90 degrees. Another red axle. Okay. Now take a wing, number 7 wing. Little one, and that's going in here. Okay, and then that goes on the back. Oh, it's another kind of diffuser type situation we got here. So those go like this. It's gotta be that, yeah, that side. Okay. And then the other side. So some small details going in right now. On the back. Okay, uh-oh, did I do that the wrong way? What's supposed to be, okay, it's supposed to go this way. That's better. And now, let's get the axle in here, and that goes over top. Oh, we're gonna get the red axle in there. And that goes on the other side here. Oh. No, I did that right. Oh, it's kind of just rubbing against that wishbone. But it's fine once you slide it on. Okay, so take this pin with the 2 axles. Or beam with the 2 axles. It goes like so between these larger panels. Then we have a long black axle connector pin. Okay, now I take this axle and put 2 half beams. And then it wants me to put, it puts all half beams on these, I guess, with another axle. Okay. Oh, I see, it's just gonna be, like, tricky to get on here. We've got that, and now, that goes here. We'll put we got a trans red grill. That's interesting. And that's that rear charged light for when the battery's charging. And that goes in here. So that's a little bit, it's kind of high up here. Oh no, the axle goes in there. That's different. Oh, the axle goes in. Okay. And we slide these in here. Well, that's interesting that it It's not actually a pin, and it's just an axle on the top here. But these axles should hold it in. Okay. We have 4 black pins I have to put in here for these guys. Where do they go? Well, they go in this area here. That's going to be for the rear wing. Are we not doing side pods yet? Is that what's happening? We're going to do the rear wing first? Oh, we are doing the rear wing first. Okay. Okay, so this, these two, put this axle pin in here. So like they made quite a different build order between the Ferrari and the Red Bull, eh? So that's pretty. Wonder if that's by design or just the fact that maybe they had different designers on the 2 sets, so that kept them from being too similar. And that goes there. And these long blue pins. Okay. And then a yellow axle up here. Oh, we're using these for the wings. Okay, we put in 2 pins and then sticker number 5. Oh no, this is gonna be annoying, isn't it? I wonder if I should try doing my trick or not. Because then you actually have to put them all together. Because this is definitely going to be separated. Oh, these are all separated anyway. They're not actually. Okay. It's not the same as like on the. Like it was on the McLaren or the Mercedes. I was able to like just stick the ones, make it one sticker and make it look complete. But these ones, because of the way it's also black, so there's that. Oops, I forgot. Gotta be putting this in here. And then, oh, I see, it is gonna be separated. This is the DRS mechanism. It's actually, no, it's not gonna work. It's like, is it gonna work? I don't think so. Okay, so now we have this and a axle pin. Oh. Axle pin goes this way, and another one goes the other way, and here. Okay, that, and then this is supposed to go this way. And stick that axle through there. Okay, we have axle pin again. Half beam. This connector, this axle connector. 90-degree beam with axles here, and that's supposed to go like that. Or yeah, it is. Okay. That goes here. And then that's supposed to go through there. Okay. Another half beam. I'd like to do that. Oh, it's a half beam there. It's a half beam on this axle. Or two of them. I want two half beams on there. Okay. And we have this and a pin in it. And that axle goes through there. Okay, and a collar on the gray axle. Then the black T-tank. And oh, there's that. Like so. Okay, now we have this kind of like a concave panel here. Some stud pins. And oh, we're putting on the Trans Red 1x4. And sticker number 1. Sticker number 1 is this guy here. And that goes on the convex side. So there's a little notch there. Oh, that doesn't matter because it goes against the edge here. Okay, let's do this way. This is panel 43. It is panel 43. So let's just go near the bottom edge, like that. And then I have to take this piece and stick it in here. Pin does go to the outside. That's an interesting way to build that. Oh, on the outside, it's sticker number 7. Okay. And that has to line up like that. Okay. And then that hooks up to... Oh, that... Oh, okay. I didn't know that. And that hooks up here. So that's the side of the rear wing there. Now we have this curve. Oh, this is another concave curve. But it's the bigger, the other type of panel. These go up here, and then we put sticker number 2 on this one. And how do I gotta line that up? Somehow like that. Okay. That didn't turn out as good as it could have been. Oh, we're supposed to put an Oracle sticker on the back. This is kind of crazy. That's not very... It goes like that, this, and I gotta stick number 40 on the back. That's not on this one. And we got these 2 Oracle stickers. Can I get that in there? Okay, we got the Oracle sticker in there. Now I'm gonna put it this way and hook it up to here. See, oh, I guess see if it lines up. It sort of lines up, I suppose. There's enough spaces on there that it probably doesn't matter. 2 stud pins, and then we gotta put sticker number 3 on. Okay, can this work this time? It's not great. It doesn't want to. It didn't grab. I didn't push it down. That's better. Okay, and now pin on this side. That we gotta put the other Oracle sticker on. Just that one went on pretty easy, and then that hooks up right like so. Oh, that's really not lined up. I didn't realize, because that got angled too much there. I tried. It's not great if you look too close to the top of the bees. But that could have been connected, I suppose, on that one. Or I had to know that's what I was doing, and I didn't, so this one shouldn't matter as much. Okay, there should not be these in here, so those have to come out. And we have to get sticker number 6 on there. Okay. That's good. And we just connect that up like that. So that looks, yeah, these two are better. They're not too bad. That one's probably a little too far to that side. This one's not right. This one's the problem one right now. Yeah, I don't think I'll just leave it. There's so much spacing on there, it's even hard to tell, really. So, I know, but you know, if you're looking from a ways away, it's hard to tell. And now we're gonna build this contraption for the outside edge again. This is quite the operation. For whatever this is really supposed to be. And then this guy. And that goes there. Collar, rolling pin, and tank. Okay, now this convex piece with the two concave piece with the two pieces like this. The red tile. And then we have sticker number 4 in the corner. So that just goes right in there. And then sticker number 10 on the other side. Now, can I get this to be correct here? They're the same as the other side is what I'm going for. There we go. just try to get it the same as the other side. I think we'll be good. Okay, and then that, same thing, hooks up like so. And is supposed to support. Oops, there should be pins in there. These wings. It's kind of weird that it doesn't. That's right. Okay, that's right. There. Okay, there we go. There's the rear wing. Okay, now we have probably it's some sort of, I'd assume it's an attachment point, but and there's one pin in the middle and pins on the other side. And then what is that? It's a gray, oh here it's a silver rolling pin here. And these two go like that. Okay, like so. And there's two of these. Where's the other one of these? It's not these, it's... where's the other one? Did I knock it down? That's on. Oh, I forgot these little wings. It goes. They go. Okay, and then that side, and oh no, there's supposed to be one pin there. Where is the other? Yeah, it got stuck in the bag, so got it there. Now we can put that back together like so. And we have these two go that way. And then they hook into that part. Facing it the right way? I think so. Okay, so that's supposed to probably, oh yeah, some more diffuser fins back here. And now we have the macaroni piece here. Rolling pin. That, and that actually is going to hang off the yellow here, like that. Okay, now we have two of these. That's why we have the 1x1s. This is the top of the wings. Or the top wing, like that. That fell off. And that goes onto the back of the car. That is not good. Let's just push that out there. Okay, that's better. Okay, now on the back of the car here. Do these, oh these, where do these go? Oh, these go in the, where do these go? I think they'd go over the wheels, but okay, now this should go, okay, this blue pin is supposed to go oh, that is the wrong way. Okay, that's the wrong way. Let's get that off. That's supposed to go this way. Okay, now that makes a little bit more sense. Was there a... oh no, yeah, nah, that can't hook up any other way. Okay, that's like that. Now, that's there. So now this needs to go like that. Okay. Black pin and the blue pin kind of... there. There they go. Oh, look at that. That just sits there. And I'm supposed to... oh, I have to push these black pins in here now. Can they go in? Is that lined up? I don't know if that's lined up. It's not. Oh, great. Here we go. Knock this off right away. Every other car has the same problem. Or the other cars have the same problem. It's not as bad. I guess the Mercedes was not bad. I don't think I could knock that one off. This is better than McLaren, but it has this... that grill looks like you can knock it off. Okay, so we have... now we have this panel. It is number 70. It is. So put that through there. And sticker number 26. Starting to kind of get through. Go. Now there is a car, well, it's 1x1 beam, and it's an angle axle, 90-degree axle connector, black axle, collar, 1 1x2 half beam, and then I gotta take 2 more. Hook them like that. Is this supposed to stick halfway through the other side? This is kind of weird. Okay, and then I see the half beam is going this way. Okay, here's another 1x2 over here to hold that together. Interesting, and that is like that. So this does, oh, it does go over the front wheel. I was not really sure, but yeah, okay. Now it's this wheel. This is the wheel it goes over. Okay, that's that one. Now I'm gonna do the other one. Kind of a jump to the front wheel there. And sticker number 33. And that should be collar and 90 degree. have this collar. We have the half beam there. Okay, and then that's supposed to go this way. Goes like that. Okay, and then the other goes on the other side. Okay. There we go. Well, that has been part 7 of my RedBull RB20 build. So this time we got the rear wing on, as well as just these fenders on the front tires. So anyway, if you would like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and take it easy.